Hey there everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to teach you another freestyle trick, and this trick is called the endover. So let's show you what an endover is. Alright, so that's the endover. It's basically nose pivot, 180 to another pivot, to another pivot, to another pivot. So let's basically explain on how to do it. Alright, so I'm goofy position. So in order to do the endover, what you're going to do is put your front foot basically on the nose and your back foot on the tail. So when you go, you're going to actually rotate a 180 and then pivot off the back, rotate 180. And that's how to do the endover. So basically, you're going to be going off the nose, revert, and then revert pivot. And that's an endover. And you keep doing that. Alright, so to do the endover, I'm going to show you guys in goofy position. Basically, goofy position, your front foot is going to go over on top of the nose, like so. And then your back foot is going on the tail. So when you actually go to do the endover, you're going to be moving, and this is how you do it. Off the nose, 180, and then off the tail, 180. And you're gonna keep kind of going in like a 180 rotation. So you just kind of keep going with it. Pivot, pivot, pivot. So like this. Bam, bam. Like so. And that's basically the endover right there. Alright, so for this trick, you're really gonna want to practice at first just doing your pivot off your nose and then your pivot off the tail. And once you get that, then you can combine it all together and do it really fluid. So it's just like boom, 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 endovers. Just gotta keep going and going. So practice your endovers. It's good for footwork, good for balance, and once you get it down, you're just gonna master it, and then you can move on to different tricks. And once you get your endovers down, you can actually practice them doing both ways. You can actually pivot forward, backside, or front side. So whatever way you're more comfortable with, but eventually you can do it both ways. So you can actually go this way, that way, or you could actually go the other way. So you'd actually go. So that's the endover. If you guys need any more help with that, let me know in the comments below. You guys know what to do. Like this video, comment down below, and please subscribe. Hope this trick tip helped you out a lot, and stay tuned for some more.